Hello guys, welcome to my channel and as part of Microsoft Power Platform series we are going to learn Microsoft Power Platforms. So as part of Microsoft Power Platform first we are learning Microsoft Power Automate desktops. So in the Microsoft Power Automate desktop we have covered a few concepts like message box, input dialogues, variables, clipboard, and currently we are working on files concepts. So we are going to learn the basic scenario concept and how we can implement this scenario in real time situations, and what are all the best practice we need to follow. We are going to discuss each and everything with the help of an example. So let's get started. So let me navigate to Microsoft Power Automate desktop. Now we are in Microsoft Power Automate Desktop Developer Editor. So if you face any issues to download the Microsoft Power Automate Desktop and creating a flow, please let me know. If you face any issues, please drop me a message. I'll try to get back to you and try to help you on that. Okay, so we have already covered delete files operation. Okay, now we are going to perform copy files. So let me drag copy files. So copy files is nothing but we can copy files from one folder to another folder location. So this is my folder structure. Let's say Microsoft Power Automate Desktop is my one of the folder. So I'll just create few more files in this folder. Mm. And also I'll also create one more folder, that is the destination folder. Let's say destination. Okay, so my agenda is copy all these three files from Microsoft Power Automate desktop to the destination folder DES. So let's get started. So let me go to Microsoft Power Automate and let me choose the folder, that is Microsoft Power Automate desktop, and let me click on OK and let me select the file. So go to Microsoft Power Automate desktop and let me choose the file. Okay, so here we need to select destination folder. So let me select the destination folder as destination and let me click on OK. So whenever if you are trying to copy that file into the different folder, if the file is already exist, okay, if the file is already exist in the destination folder, if you want to override, you can override. Do nothing is nothing but it is not going to perform any action like copy paste operation, it is not going to perform. If you want to override the existing files, you can choose override. So it is a best practice. It override whatever the new file you are going to copy, you can override in the destination folder. That is a best practice. Okay, so let me click on save. Now here you can see there is no file in the destination folder. Now I'll try to perform this action. So in order to run this task, I have to save this flow and I need to run the flow. So task has run successfully. So let me go to destination. Here you can see new Microsoft Excel document has been copied from the Microsoft Power Automate desktop folder to the destination folder. Okay, so this is how we can perform um, you know copy files operation. So why now we will discuss the real-time scenarios and what. So whenever if you are trying to copy file, we need to check if file exists or not. So that is very important. We need to check whether the file is exist or not. And second thing we need to do, we need to use wildcards to handle the naming conventions dynamically. Let's see. If you see here, we have provided the file name as hard-coded value. Oh, okay. So if target is to copy only this file, then what we need to do, we need to use if the file exists or not. So let me copy this file. Okay. So why? the file check is important, I'll tell you. So let's suppose there is no file exist in the source file. I have deleted that file actually. So now what I'll do, I'll try to execute this code. So let me run. Now we will get an error because the particular file is not available. Okay, file copy not found. Why? So there is no file. So in this scenario, what you can do, you can just use if condition. So if file exists, that particular file path we are going to copy, and let me drag and drop this thing here and let me save. Now I'll try to run the same code. Now it will check whether the file exists or not. If the file exists, then only it will copy. Okay, otherwise it is not going to copy any file. Okay, so here you can see there is no issue or error occurred in this task. Okay, this is how we need to utilize this if file exists condition in the real-time scenarios. And now let's discuss wildcards. So let me drag and drop this to outside and let me delete this if condition as of now. And so here particular file is not available. Okay, so let me let me go to this folder structure and let me create few different files once again. uh, so here you can see different files are there. So different files, notepad file, word file, or publisher document, something like that. So let me remove this file from here also, destination, and let me paste it over here. So here you can see Excel file is there, publisher file is there, document file is there, text file is there. My target is to copy all these files from here to destination folder. So let's see. So for that, we can use wildcards in the real-time scenario. So how to use wildcards in the real-time scenario? Let's suppose if you want to copy specific extension files. So let's suppose if you want to copy all the XLSX extension is nothing but Excel files. You can use wildcards in place of name of the file. So then it is going to copy all the Excel documents. So let me show you. So here we have one Excel file, that extension is XLSX, and there is no files in destination folder. So here what I am trying to do, I am trying to copy only the Excel file. Whatever the name it is, here we have used the wildcards. So let me create one more Excel file then. Let me create one more Excel file, and let's say something. I have provided some dynamic name to that Excel file. Now my target is to copy the all Excel files available in the my source folder to destination folder irrespective of the file name. So because of that reason, we have used the wildcards. So let me run this task now. So let me open destination. Here you can see only the Excel files has been copied. Microsoft Excel files only copied here. So let me delete. Now my target is irrespective of the file name, irrespective of file type, I want to display all the content. Okay, so here you can see, sorry, here we have Excel file type, publisher file type, Word document type, text type. Irrespective of file name, irrespective of the extension, I need to copy all the files from the source to destination. Here there is no file available in the destination. So let me go to Microsoft Power Automate Desktop, and here we have replaced the file name with the wildcard star. And now I want to replace the extension also. I don't want to copy only XLSX file. I want to copy all the files available in that particular folder to destination folder. So let me click on save and let me run this task. The task has been executed successfully. Let me go to this folder and let me open destination. Here you can see all the files are available. This is how we need to implement the scenarios in real-time situation. So you use wildcards as well as if condition check whenever if you are trying to perform some actions by using files and folders. So now I'll delete this create file. What I'll do, I'll just use move files command now. So let me select the folder, the same folder I'm going to select Microsoft Power Automate desktop, and here what I'll do, instead of selecting the file, I'll directly use wildcards dot star dot dot star is nothing but first star indicates the file name. So irrespective of any file naming convention, it is going to cover all the files in that particular folder. Similar way, dot extension as well, each and every file will have their own extension. Notepad file for dot ext, dot devocex, dot xlsx, dot xlsm, something like that. So it can handle each and every file, and I'll choose the destination folder now. So the difference between the copy files and move files, copy files, the instances will be available in both source and destination. But here, move files, it will move all the files from the source to destination. You cannot find the files in the source actually. So let me select override. So this is also one of the best practice to select the override option. So let's go to the folder and we'll check physically. So here we have multiple files under Microsoft Power Automate desktop folder, and I'm trying to move these files to destination. So that means this all files is going to delete, not like copy command, it is all the files is going to delete and it will place into the destination folder. So let's see. So let me go to the Microsoft Power Automate desktop and let me click on save and let me run this task. So task has been executed successfully. Whatever the command you are going to perform, whether it is a rename, multiple, move, delete, copy, you should use if file check and wildcards. That is the important thing uh, to handle the files. So let me go to Microsoft here. See, there is no file is available under this folder, and let me open destination. Here you can see multiple files are available. So and that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Please practice from your end and let me know if you face any issues. Practice the scenarios is very important to instead of watching the videos. And please let me know if you face any issues while downloading the code or while executing the code. And please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new videos or series on Microsoft Power Automate desktop. Oh, thank you.